This is my first time actually making mussels. I've made clams before. Sis is a chef. Look at that. Ooh wee.
Oh. Hey.
I have a cameraman here. His name is Easton. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisha. Gotta keep it still. My name is Elisha, and here on this channel we talk about all. Easton, you have to keep it on me.
Okay.
We talk about all things that I enjoy. Today we're making mussels and linguine. If you watched my last travel vlog where I went to DR, I had really good mussels. Good. And I've been looking to make some, so we're making some today. Okay guys, so right now I'm just cleaning the mussels. I googled how to do this. This is my first time actually making mussels. I've made clams before, which I guess is the same thing. But I read to tap the mussel to have it reclose if it's open. And if it doesn't close, then it's not really safe to eat. These are pretty good. I mean, these... Oops. These never closed. So since these never closed, so there's not too many that I need to toss, but since none of these closed, I have to let them go. I'm gonna tap them one more time because they look so meaty. One does. But these are pretty clean. They don't have any beards on them, I will say. I got these from my local... Oh, look, this one closed. So that's why I'm going back and retapping, because maybe the mussel, they're supposed to soak in ice, in an ice bath with salt water for like 20 minutes. I'm also making the kids something to eat because they're not going to eat this. So I'm going to get my pasta ready and my peppers and onions and garlic. That I'm going to saute with butter and add some wine, and then I'm going to just add the mussels, and that's it. Don't judge, but my herb garden, first of all, my herb garden has a bird's nest in it, and I'm so afraid of birds. It also is just, I'm over it. I've done poorly with it, but I'm about to get some herbs. I'm gonna get some basil, some parsley, and some thyme. Oh, I got to get in the house. Okay, let's take a few sprigs of basil. I got basil. I got this pepper I'm gonna put in there. Do y'all see it? It's right there. That's a bird's nest. Them twigs and stuff all wrapped around in a circle. That's a bird's nest. I don't think there's anything in there. She just preparing it. Mama bird is preparing it. I gotta go. Okay, so I got a pepper, I got a little bit of parsley, some basil, and some thyme. So I'm gonna chop that up. And okay, my water's ready to boil. Just gonna add some salt to her, and then we're gonna add some salt to that. We're using linguine today. The kids are eating something different, so that's why there's so many pots on the stove. We're gonna add some salt. She's not really into this, mussels, which have been sitting for about 20 minutes in an ice cold bath. We're gonna rinse them and throw them in here. Actually, we're gonna keep them going. We're gonna make a crostini, I decided, last minute. That's mommy, she forgot to close it all away. Otherwise, don't be good. Okay. Not too much because we ain't got that much. Gotta make these mussels now. Get your cup.
Here, Mom. Here's your cup. Two. Here we go.
That looks so good. These closed up later, but I don't think I can eat them because I've left them on the counter for over like an hour or so. They're like falling off of there. That takes a lot of work, you know? I didn't think this through. Peppers coming up. This looks so good. Look at those peppers. Look at my bread. Come on, go check out my bread. Okay. up now. She looks delicious. Little crostini, baby. Sis is a chef. Look at that. Ooh wee. What'd you say, baby?